if you're not into yoga. No, I'm not. I don't like yoga or yoga mats or feet. Hey hackers, it's GoldieBlox, and today's video is all about beach hacks. If you can't tell, because there's a gigantic pineapple behind me. Stuff that has to do with the beach, like sand, sunburns, water. I mean, that's pretty much all I think of. She's still here. There she will stay, and you will like it. For our first hack, we have hydrophobic sand. I know, that's a sciencey word, but it's very simple. If you think of the roots in it, hydro, water. Hydro basically means water. Don't clock me, Latin roots people. Phobic means like doesn't like. So water doesn't like. So it doesn't like water, if that makes any sense. I just got sand and I just drenched it in Scotchgard. I actually saw this on Karina Garcia's channel first, so shout out to her. She's awesome. The moment of truth. Okay, actually that's a lie. I've done this before. Scotchgard is not foolproof. I left it in here for like quite some time. Scotchgard gave up. So this is why I only have a little bowl. So the mess ups here will be fatal. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm going all in. Oh, that looks so weird. Do you see it? It's like floating. Oh. If you dumped normal sand in it, like at the beach, it would just sink and like stay flat. But like, again, hydrophobic. I just like saying that word. For this DIY, you'll need sand, Scotchgard, a see-through container, and paper. Spray the sand with Scotchgard and set it aside to dry. You'll want to repeat this a bunch of times for each color of sand. Once dry, pour the sand into the water and watch them take shape. That is so crazy. If you bring it out of the water, it's just sand. That is the best magic trick, like a little sandbag. I know Salt Bae is old, but it's not old for me. This is against all the rules of life, even though it's not. It's just science. I'm not sponsored by Bill Nye the Science Guy, but Bill Nye the Science Guy, hit me up. I'm a big fan. For our next hack, we have a mini water cooler. And what's really cool about this, you guys already know about my collab with MyFroggyStuff. We're both making a Rube Goldberg machine. And mine's gonna be big, theirs is gonna be small, little doll size. Even though this is like a mini water cooler, they're gonna make a mini water cooler. I actually love small things, if you can't tell. So like I try, but then theirs is gonna just be so much cuter. But basically, all you have to do is put your little, that was not little, that was like put your little water bottle in here. You twist it. That sounds like someone's peeing. For this DIY, you'll need an empty chip can, an empty toothpaste tube, X-Acto knife, acrylic paint, hot glue gun, mason jar, and a drill. Cut a hole in the chip can and making sure it's the same size as the toothpaste lid. Cut an arch below the circle, large enough for a cup to slide in, or a little water bottle. Paint your can. Cut the empty toothpaste top and glue in the hole so the end is sticking out. Drill 2 holes into the jar lid, one slightly smaller and one slightly larger, and glue the straw into the larger hole. Fit the straw through the toothpaste opening, seal with hot glue, and trim so the top will still fit on. Seal the mason jar lid with glue. Then fill it with water. When you turn the toothpaste lid to the right, twisting the straw, water won't come out. Twist it to the left and the water will flow. I'm so proud of her. I'm proud of me. She's a drippin'. She's kind of getting a little bit everywhere, but hey, at the end of the day, I just had myself a glass of water. Also, this water tastes like glue. Skin is the largest, oh my god, largest. It's the largest organ on your body. And if you stay hydrated and your skin is like soft and like moisturized and hydrated, then it, like your skin won't like peel off as much with a sunburn. Speaking of sunburns, let's move on to our next hack. I love that noise, wait. That sounds like tongue rolling, but I can't tongue roll, like wait. See, it's gone. Once in a lifetime, man. So this hack is basically Sunburn Soaps. I'm okay, if you're asking. I know, I've been having some hard times today. They're so cold. Probably because I put them in the freezer. Let's put you back in there. Ooh. That feels nice. If you don't have a sunburn, this is nice. You just make these before when you go to the beach because you know you're gonna get sunburned. So you're just like, I'm preparing for the aftermath. So then you put them in the freezer, then you come back, you're crying, like, why didn't I put on more sunscreen? But I'm smart though. Well, then you just pop these out, you rub them all over your body, and then you feel better. Let me pop one out so you can see the close-up. Oh, she's so cold. It's a unicorn horn. Oh my god, I love that so much. Wait. I'm a unicorn. Okay, we got a star, and then we got a seashell, another seashell. I think all of these are technically seashells. Regular lotion is like so much work. Moisturize and feel like a baby's butt. For this DIY, you'll need aloe vera liquid, glycerin, aloe vera juice, silicone molds, essential oil, and a blender. This one's really easy, you guys. First, mix and blend all of your ingredients. Now just pour them into the mold and put them in the freezer. Once they're frozen, just put it on your burnt skin and you'll get sweet relief, I swear. 1 second. Okay, sorry. Gotta get that ASMR. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed these beach hacks. Tell me your favorite hack down below. I think my favorite hack was definitely the water dispenser because I thought that was really cool science. Despite the glue water, it was pretty good, but I feel like I can hack that again and make it not glue water. You know what? Let's just, here. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday. And to see the pineapple, maybe one more time. Oh, the Goldie Squad shout out. Oh, she clocked me. That happened. And the weekly Goldie Squad shout out goes to Davina Pie. I loved your comment. You're so sweet. Truly, the Goldie Squad is the best. That's it. I'm gonna be lounging. Peace. Wait. Oh, there we go. Wait. Now I feel protected. Oh, this is literally so nice.